Hi, I'm Carol Cox, and I'm your instructor for Chemistry in Everyday Life. This is Chem 100W. W means it's entirely online. There is no face-to-face component of this course, including the lab. I'd like to introduce you to the blackboard over the next few minutes. First off, the announcements. Please read all announcements. They will be appearing here on this shell, as well as you will have them in your email. Please read them in their entirety. I will have important information, changes, suggestions, helpful hints, etc. So please read through those on a consistent basis. Faculty information. I am located in McCall-Donnelly area. I do come down to Nampa every few weeks, but I am best accessed via my email and my cell phone. You can text, email, call anytime on a weekday between 8 in the morning and 9 in the evening, and I will try to respond within 24 hours. Please contact me with your questions, any frustrations, any links that don't work, anything like that. Immediately get a hold of me and ask me your questions, let me know your concerns and frustrations. Please contact me before you kick your dog out of frustration. Syllabi and schedule. These are two important documents. I know you're well familiar with syllabi, but this particular syllabus has some important information unique to this course. First off, it has the textbook materials you'll need. The textbook makes sure it's the third edition of Investigating Chemistry Forensics. Then you'll see all kinds of information on my availability, your proficiency with computer, attendance requirements, etc. And let me draw to your attention the breakdown of the grade. You'll see that the lab portion is 25% of your lecture grade, and the lecture grade is what goes on your transcript. So I take what you get in lab and I average it into your lecture grade. Homework, quizzes, projects, exams, and your final signature project also are part of the 100%. Then I end with some suggestions for success. These are just helpful hints, particular to any course or particular to this course, online course. So that will be useful for overview of the course. Now the schedule is what you'll want to print and have next to your computer because it details all the assignments in lecture and all the assignments in lab, and then any homework problems. Most all homework, labs, quizzes, etc. projects are all due by 11:59 Saturday night. Not midnight, but 11:59. I do not accept late homework, so please don't wait till the last minute and get things done ahead of time, not just on time. And you'll notice that at the end of the semester, there is no cumulative final. Do I hear a hooray? But there is a term project. This term project is your signature assignment for this course. We'll start with a discussion board halfway through the semester where you will bounce off your ideas with your fellow students and feedback to each other about your idea for your term project, and then there will be a term paper and a PowerPoint presentation that you will be doing at the end of the semester instead of a final exam. So this is an important document. Make sure that you have it printed next to your computer and are mapping out your plan of attack. Also, you'll see on the blackboard there is lecture assignment shell. That is week by week your assignments. There are journals. There are discussion boards. And there are how-to resources and other tools for this course, as well as your grade center. So make yourself sit down, become aware, familiar with this Blackboard, and once again, contact me if you have any questions. If this is your first time through an online course at the college level, don't hesitate to email, text, or call me. And I'm anticipating an awesome semester and looking forward to you being successful in Chem 100.